I asked Chat GPT how to remove orange from the palm of your hands from a spray tan or a fake tan, and it totally gave me all the wrong answers. I can't believe this stuff is still perpetuated all over Google. Okay, so the only way to get orange off of your hands is with bleach. You can get a simple and safe and gentle face bleaching cream kit, and it will remove spray tan from anywhere. Of course, you want to follow the directions and you want to be safe. But guess what? Lemon juice, baking soda, nail polish remover, scrubbing your hands, none of that is going to take the orange off your hands. The only thing is bleach. I've been doing this 13 years. I've tried it all. There you go. Google and Chat GPT are not always right.